Boys and girls, this is why we rotate our own tires and change our own oil, because if the guy at the Jiffy Screw don't know nothing, okay? He don't do nothing for you. He ain't gonna help you. He just ain't. All right? So you rotate your own tires. When you do it, you pick every rock out of all the grooves, right? Because what are you gonna find? Lo and behold, you're gonna find the nail in the tire that would have never been known until your poor wife calls you on the phone in the middle of the night on her way home in the pouring down rain, because that's how it always happens, right? Rotate your own tires, ladies and gentlemen. When you do, pick all the rocks out of the tread. Look for screws, look for nails, because you're going to find one almost every time. When you do that, check the brakes. You know, sometimes the little lady pushes a little hard on the pedal, and you need new brake pads at 50,000 miles, which you shouldn't. But, oh well, such is life. Change your own oil. When you do, wipe everything down under the hood. Check the oil 3 times before you start it up. Start it up, shut it off, and then check it again. All right? All those good things. Check your battery cables. You know, another good tip, ladies and gentlemen, date your battery when you replace it. Make sure it's got a date code on it. That way you know when you go back how old it is. Whether you have the receipt or you don't have the receipt, you know how old it is, right? Do your own work, change your own oil. And for God's sakes, don't over tighten the lugs on the wheels. They don't need to be so tight that you need 4 foot of pipe to break them loose. Thank you, tire store. Y'all have a wonderful day. Another grand piece from Harbor is not your friend, right? Harbor is not your friend. Don't buy their junk, folks. It's junk, right? Harbor is not your friend. First time I used it, straight out the package. I know, my fault. Should have never bought it, right? I got it. Y'all have a great day.